Let me show you a fast and free way to convert a video file like an MP4 file or an MOV file into an MP3 audio file. Now I'm going to show you this software here. It's called VLC. It's completely free. It's a media player that's been around for a very long time. And I've had it for well over 10 years. And just to give you an idea, the website gets over 10 million, about 10 million views a month. So a lot of people have this on different platforms like Windows and Mac and Linux. So I already have it installed on my computer here, and I'll put a link in the description to this website if you want to install it on your computer. And I'm gonna go to my applications folder here and double click to open up VLC. And here on VLC, if you go to file here, there's an option that says convert or stream. Let me choose this option right here. And it's a very simple process. You drag media or open the media here. You choose the conversion and then you choose the destination. So I'll show you here with a video file. Open media. I have a sample here, converting file sample, and it's MP4. So this is the most common type of video file, but it works with MOV and other video files too. I'll press open. Then for profile, basically I'm extracting the MP3. So I need to be under audio MP3. There's a customize option. And if you know more about the audio codec, this lets you choose your bitrate, channels, and sample rate. The default in most cases are fine on MP3 files, but I just wanted to point out this page if you know more about it. Then the destination, I don't want to stream. I want to save this on my computer as a file. So I'm going to choose this. Then I'm going to press browse and I'll choose my folder. But this is very important. You need to label this audio or whatever you name it, but .mp3. You need to type this out. Otherwise, you will just save it as a text file that you can't open with an audio player. So make sure you type out the file name .mp3 and then press save. Okay, so just to recap, drop media here, choose MP3, choose destination and name your file .mp3. So whatever your file name is .mp3, then press save. And then it's gonna take a second to process. But now if I go to my folder, right, this was my video file. Now this is my audio file. And I'll just put it on mute right now. But if I press spacebar, there is my audio file here playing. The video has been extracted and only the MP3 file is left over. I hope you found this video useful. Please give it a thumbs up and I will see you next time.